Professor Pradeep Sarkar, respected Professor S.K. Sahoo, Professor J. Srinivas, and other faculty members, esteemed dignitaries, guests, and dear participants. I, Payal Banerjee, extend my warm welcome and best regards on behalf of organizing team from Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Rourkela. Today, we all have gathered here for inaugural ceremony of 2-week AICTE-sponsored faculty development program on innovations in computer-aided design simulations. And our today's event is blessed by the graceful presence of our chief guest, Shri Amit Yadav, who is Senior Divisional Electrical Engineer in Electric Loco Shed, Rourkela. Now, I request our dignitaries to kindly come forward on stage for lighting the lamp and commence today's function. Thank you, sir. Now I request all our dignitaries to come on the stage and take their respective places. I request my organizing team to welcome our dignitaries on the dais. Now, I would like to call the coordinator of this 2-week faculty development program, Professor J. Srinivas, to address the session. Sir.
Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Thank you, one and all present here. And good morning. Our dignitaries on the dais, the chief guest, Mr. Amit Yadav from Electric Loco Shed, and Rourkela, Professor Pradeep Sarkar, Director in Charge from our NIT Rourkela, and Professor S.K. Sahoo, the Chairman of the department, as well as the co-coordinator of this event. So, and all the participants, and distinguished people of the dais. I welcome all of you for this inaugural session of FDP on the innovations in computer-aided design and developments organized by the Mechanical Engineering Department. So this is a offline inauguration. Already we have online sessions started. 6 days are completed, and the motive of this program is to impart the knowledge of the various developments taken place in the computer-aided simulations, and the tools in the graphics, geometric modeling, finite element analysis, optimization have drastically increased over the last 10 years, and the virtual and rapid prototyping tools help in evaluating this evaluating these models. Early drafting tools have become a part of geometric modeling software, and this FDP focuses on these key aspects and discusses all the requirements of artificial intelligence techniques in the modern CAD systems. Over the last 6 days, so many participants, enthusiastic sessions have taken place, and participants also nicely joined in the online sessions. And while the coming week sessions definitely pledge the targets of this program, so I hope this uh, program will definitely help. After a long time, after 2 to 3 years after, we are arranging this kind of offline inaugural program. So we are fortunate, and all of you please join in our all programs, make it a success, and also gain a lot of knowledge out of this program. So I thanks once again. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the chairman of this event, Professor S.K. Sahoo, sir, to come on the dais and share his thoughts.
A very good morning to all. Our respected head of the institute in charge, Professor P. Sarkar, our chief guest, Shri Amit Yadav from the Senior DE Electrical Locomotive Rourkela, our coordinator of the program, Professor J. Srinivas, faculty is present here, and the student and participant. On behalf of the Mechanical Engineering Department, I welcome all of you, particularly to the participant and the key resource persons for this 2-week program, and this is the second week of this program offline on innovation in computer-aided design and simulation, which will continue up to 23rd December 2022. We know that Mechanical Engineering Department everywhere is the old and biggest department, not only the NIT, also everywhere, and they contribute a lot in research development and disseminating of knowledge. So on the part of the dissemination of the knowledge, this program has been conducted for not only this program, also we have other 3-4 programs also today on different aspect of present and future societal needs. And we know that because of a lot of changes in the socio-economic, also our rule regulation about environment, everything, a lot of design change is occurring very rapidly. You will find the same design, same model. Today, after 4 months, 5 months, or even 2 months, you will not find that model or the design. So there is a drastic change. That means that is a drastic change in design and development. Also, obviously, the importance of this design, graphics, design, animation is increasing rapidly. At the same time, when we are purchasing a component or a big equipment have heavy cost, high cost, that equipment also not available after 2 year, 3 year. But that doesn't mean that we have to throw out that equipment, have high cost equipment. That's why you have to manufacture the spare parts. And the spare parts manufacturing also stopped, because when the model is not manufactured, immediately stopped. So, but you cannot throw out heavy or a costly equipment. So, you have to go for reverse engineering. So, we have to go for a reverse engineering. Again, reverse engineering, you have to measure using CMM, measure, make a model, then go for modeling, animation, simulation. So, lot of activities now becoming very important. So, this is increasing the scope and importance of this design and simulation. So, to take care of this, philosophy and theory, the philosophy and principle, this program has been designed, and I feel different aspect of this design and simulation, what to be taught throughout this program, will be very much beneficial to the participant. And again, I welcome all the participants and all the resource person to get the advantage of this program, online and offline. And I hope this 5 days program will be more productive to the participant and for their future work. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, sir, by motivating us. Now, I would like to call Honorable Director in Charge, Professor Pradeep Sarkar, on the dais to address our session.
Esteemed Chief Guest Shri Yadav, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering Department, Professor S.K. Sahoo, my colleague Professor Srinivas, convener of this program, guest, student, and my faculty colleagues out of the dais. A very good morning to all of you. It is a privilege to welcome all of you to the inaugural program of the it's a 2 weeks faculty development program on computer aided design and simulation. Already 1 week is over online, and this coming week will be offline, in offline mode. This computer aided design and simulation is not a new thing. It has there already there for a long time, and it has revolutionized the design industry in terms of productivity, in terms of economy and accuracy. And with the recent improvement in the information technology, there are further growth in this field of engineering, that is computer-aided design and simulation. And recently, there is in one of the meeting, our Prime Minister told that currently the production output contributes 16% to the GDP of the country, and they have an ambitious plan to improve it to 25% by 2025. And they are targeting the help of Industry 4.0, that is like automation, and where I think this computer-aided design and simulation is going to be a key tool to improve this, to achieve this goal of the country. And this will be successful only if there are qualified manpower available. And where is the national institutes like us are responsible, and we are committed to support the initiatives of the government and national interest to disseminate knowledge and create manpowers for the need of the country. And this workshop or this faculty development program is committed in this direction. So I am very proud that Department of Mechanical Engineering has taken initiative to conduct this event, which is very, very important for our country. And I thank Professor Srinivas to invite me to this program. And I hope that this event will have a positive impact on the knowledge and understanding of all the participant faculties from different parts of the state and the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Now, it's a matter of immense pleasure that we have such a great personality as a chief guest with us. So I request Shri Amit Yadav, sir, to come on the dais and address the session.
A very good morning to all participants. And सबसे पहले मैं प्रोफेसर श्रीनिवास और प्रोफेसर साहू सर का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ इनवाइट किया। और जैसा कि ये सेमिनार का टॉपिक है इनोवेशन इन फील्ड ऑफ कंप्यूटर एडेड सिमुलेशंस, which is very important for present industry, and if we want to be independent, then we have to be very we have to be there in this field. और जैसा कि हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि इस फील्ड में इंडियन रेलवेज़ ने जो अचीवमेंट किया था, जिसका एक एग्जांपल है ट्रेन 18, जिसका डेवलपमेंट 18 मंथ के दौरान ही किया गया, उसको प्रोडक्शन में लाया गया। और इसके लिए जो हेल्प चाहिए था वो हमने बाहर इंडस्ट्रीज से लिया एज ए कंसल्टेंट्स। बट हम लोग चाहेंगे कि हमारा इंडिया में भी इस तरह के लोग रहें जो इस फील्ड में भी आगे बढ़ सकते हों। और जैसा कि यहाँ पे मुझे आने का मौका मिला है, तो मैं आप सबको इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा कि आप मेरे एस्टेब्लिशमेंट में विज़िट करें और जो प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो हम डे टू डे मेंटेनेंस इंजीनियरिंग में फेस करते हैं उसको सॉल्व करने का भी कोशिश करें। और इसी के साथ मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir, for captivating our mind with your thoughts. Now, I would like that Professor Pradeep Sarkar, sir, give the memorable souvenir to our chief guest as the memory of this program. Now, I would like to request the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering to present a memento to the Director in charge, sir, Professor Pradeep Sarkar. Now, I would like to request the coordinator of this program, Professor J. Srinivas, to present the memento to Professor S.K. Sahoo, sir. Now, I would like to invite my organizing team to present a memento to Professor J. Srinivas, sir. Now, I would like to call Professor J. Srinivas, sir, for the vote of thanks.
Actually, thank you. This is actually vote of thanks point of view. Program has already started. Yesterday, while we are arranging this auditorium, we understood that it is. I am telling to all those volunteers helping in this line that it is a simple event. Don't take it so seriously. But they tried for all these decorations and many things. So I'm thankful to everyone who involved in this one. We, as a department, we coordinatedly done many things. So this is also one of such a event. So I thank all the people involved in the background and front end. So I'm also very much happy that the 1 week sessions have been successfully completed by many distinguished NIT and IIT faculty members. So everyone have engaged night hours from 6:30 to 9:30 very usefully. I hope many of the participants have enjoyed, and also you should ask some questions so that the speakers will also be happy. So that is only missing. Other things are fine. So all that's who helped, especially our student volunteers, PhD scholars, tech students, all have. I am thankful to them, and also we are thankful to them. Professor S.K. Sahoo and myself actually discussed and finalized. ATAL program also, AICTE, we should have to say thanks. So because I haven't expected this this one in the last moment we applied this program. So we got the funding in the last minute itself. So this kind of events are very much required, not only for faculty, research scholars. Research scholars are the young faculty coming in the next generation. So I hope these programs will be very much useful to them. And of course, faculty members also can improvise, because the CAD courses are going on with the graphics and geometric modeling. So we need a lot of changes. We need to teach a lot of new things in the day-to-day semester courses. So these have been introduced as a part of this. So more details, I think in the coming offline sessions, many speakers are going to give. So I hope this would be very much useful. And so I'm once again thankful to everyone involved in this. And so I'm thankful to the in-charge director, Professor Pradeep Sarkar, and our chief guest, Amit Yadav, and also our chairman, Professor S.K. Sahoo, so for coming for this inaugural event. So I thank once again to everyone. Please continue your participation for the coming 5 days. And so the program wise, somebody can announce. I think second half there is an industrial tour to the electrical loco shed. So bus has been arranged from guest house. Everyone please join, and it will be for 2 hours. We will be back by 4:30, 4:45, and yeah, further things we'll announce one by one. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So with this, we conclude our inaugural ceremony. I request our dignitaries and all the participants to kindly proceed for high tea. But after 10 to 15 minutes, I request all the participants to come back here again, as we are having very interesting session 7 of this program, which will be addressed by Professor Kaushik Kumar, who is from BIT Misra. Thank you.